What's going on, guys? Corey from Yoda Expedition. We have a 5th gen 4Runner in the shop. We just finished up doing an install. We did some front springs and upper control arms on this, but he also wants to delete his roof rack. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for him. We have all the parts here from Toyota to do this. So if for some reason you want to eliminate the roof rack on your 4Runner, you can pick up this kit. It's a pretty simple install. All right, so I have a trim prying tool that I can tuck underneath this plastic cover here. And I'm gonna run it along and you'll hear it pop. It'll pop back here as well, just like that. And now that should just pop off. If it doesn't come off easily, there is some clips on the back side as well. You can pop those off. And then once you get that off, you have 2 bolts under there. We'll take those out. We'll do that on all 4 corners and this will lift right off. Now the next thing you need to do is just pull up and break the seal. Break that side free. Let me just reposition this. And lift this off. Just go ahead and clean where the roof rack was covering. So we got the OEM roof rack off, we got it cleaned, and now we can go ahead and start assembling our roof rack delete kit. We have these little pieces right here, so we're gonna go ahead and start with getting this up there. We're gonna grab 2 bolts, we're gonna get that bolted into position, and then we can take one of our covers, and that's going to clip onto this metal bracket that we install. So when it comes to sealing, the bottom of this has foam pads on it, so that's gonna seal against the roof of your 4Runner. And then the bolts that we are gonna be installing, they have a rubber gasket on the bottom as well. So you should have 2 contact points for sealing, one on the roof of your 4Runner and then one on the top of the bracket that we're bolting. Go ahead and snug these down pretty good. Should be good. Now we can take our cover here. If you look at the bottom of it, one side has a bigger gap from one side to the center versus the other side. We're gonna put the big gap facing out. That's it. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the roof rack delete on the 5th gen 4Runner. Super easy, maybe takes you like 10 minutes to get this job done. If this is something you wanna do, you can grab this kit at yodaexpedition.com. Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in the next one.